The swing failure pattern BB OB indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Ensure the Allow DLL Imports option is checked in the settings, then click Confirm. Once the indicator is on the chart, it searches for and draws swing failure patterns based on order blocks, buyer blocks, character changes, and structure breaks. For instance, an order block with a price break is identified in this range. The indicator sees this as a swing failure pattern, indicating a liquidity zone that, after accumulating liquidity, moved downwards and then upwards. It identifies this order block for us. An order block was identified and broken, moving downwards. The indicator sees this as a swing failure pattern, a liquidity zone that moved down, then up. It identified the order block, creating a shadow above. It moved down again, recognized as a swing failure. The indicator considers this movement as a swing failure pattern, which represents a liquidity accumulation zone that, after gathering liquidity, moved downwards, and then again, moved upwards. It has identified this order block for us. As it moved upwards, it created a shadow above the range, and then it started its downward movement again, which the indicator recognized as a swing failure pattern. We can easily observe the break of structure, BOS areas, and change of character, COCI areas on the chart, where the change of character is displayed in red, and the break of structure is shown in blue. As it moved, it created a shadow above the range, and then it started its downward movement, indicating a swing failure. We observe the break of structure, BOS, and chalk areas on the chart, chalk in red, BOS in blue. In the settings section, we can easily see the break of structure, BOS areas, and change of character, CHOS areas on the chart, where the change of character is displayed in red, and the break of structure is shown in blue. In the settings section, in the input section, options for display settings include a custom template with 3 modes: dark, light, and auto. Selecting dark applies a dark template, light applies a light template, and auto changes candle colors, with profitable candles in green and losing ones in red. The next section covers calculating swing failure patterns. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart, the template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, and with the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, where profitable candles turn bright green, and losing candles turn bright red. The next section is about the method of calculating swing failure patterns, which can be based on the shadow, the body, or both the shadow and the body. For example, here, in this range, by identifying this level and the price moving upwards, and then returning to its range. It can be based on the shadow, the body, or both the shadow and the body. The indicator identified a swing failure pattern when the price moved up, returned, and broke the level with its body. Another swing failure pattern was identified when the price moved up, closed below the level, broke with a wick, and moved down. This candle has been identified as a swing failure pattern, which has broken the level with its body. In another instance, when the break of structure, BOS, was identified, the price moved upwards and closed below this level, breaking the range only with a wick, and then it started its downward movement. This candle has been recognized as a swing failure pattern. In the settings, you can adjust the method of calculating and identifying swing failure patterns, whether it should be based on the wick, body, or both. Set swing failure, choose wick, body, or both. In the settings section, you can adjust detecting swing failure patterns using the wick, the body, zone calculation using order block areas, or breaker block areas. Toggle break of structure with change of character, which you can toggle. Zone calculation using order block areas, or breaker block areas. Toggle break of structure with change of character, which you can toggle. Toggle major swing failure patterns, toggle minor swing failures. The next section is about showing or hiding the break of structure, along with the change of character, which you can enable or disable from this part. The next section covers showing or hiding major and minor swing failure patterns. You can toggle the display of swing failures within trends and those related to reversals. Activating this option helps identify swing failure patterns linked to structure breaks and character changes on the chart. I'll select the light template and activate minor swing failure patterns with character changes. Now only the break of structure, BOS levels are drawn, identifying major swing failure patterns on the chart. We've reached the end of this tutorial. We welcome your comments and suggestions. You can identify them by enabling this option, and you can recognize the change of character for swing failure patterns and see them on the chart. Here, I will select the light template and activate the minor swing failure patterns along with the change of character. Now, only the break of structure BOS levels have been drawn for me, and it has identified the major swing failure patterns and displayed them on the chart. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section. So here, only the break of structure BOS levels have been drawn for me, and it has identified the major swing failure patterns and displayed them on the chart. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.